innocence and growth of a child. Recognition of the effort put in by them in their task takes them a long way towards success. I would request our Chairman Sir, Shri S.K. Sachdeva, to please give away the prizes and bless the students. First, we have the prizes for our toddlers for classes Buds to 2. The first category of awards to be given is that of academic proficiency. This award is given on the basis of child's academic performance till March 2012. And I request Chairman Sir to do the honors. The winners in the category are Sukrit Mohapatra, class 1A, Angel 1A, Kanishtika Balwaria 1B, Amir Zadain Rena 1C, Ujjwal Kumar Pandey 2A, Aditya Kumar 2A, Parth Chandrayan 2B, Ayush Chaudhary class 2B. Please give them a big hand. Congratulations to the winners. Next on we have the performing arts category, and the first subcategory in performing arts is that of dance, and the awardees are Avishi Yadav, Buds A, Dilisha Junaid, Buds B, Meghna Singh, Buds C, Jasmeet Kaur Banga, Buds C, Pankhuri Chaturvedi, Buds D, Ridhima Rai Surana, Buds E, Kanak Blooms A, Anjali Blooms B, Archini Manhira Blooms C, Sharanya Mittal Blooms D, Adanya Solanki Blooms D. Please give them a big hand, please. Congratulations. Continuing with the category in dance. Winners are Abhir Narula, class 1A, Akanksha Das, class 1A, Ojaswini Singh 1B, Kyan Vikram Singh 1C, Tushar Kanodia 1C, Simrita Kaur Virdi, class 2A, Dhruv Yadav, class 2A, Samriddhi Sood, class 2A, Diya Kukreja, 2B, Tanish Redhu, 2B, Naina Pradeep, class 2B. Please encourage them with a loud applause. Congratulations. Now here we have the best in art category, and the winners are Sanika Goyal, Buds A, Parv Bansal, Buds B, Manch Baswal, Buds C, Avika, Buds D, Swastik Seth, Buds E, Krishna Pandey, Blooms A, Prisha Singh, Blooms B, Mansha Goyal, Blooms B, Vedant Kumar, Blooms C, Sai Samran SV, Blooms D. Please give them a big hand. Congratulations to the winners. Continuing with the art category, we have Anushka from class 1A, Angel 1A, Kanishtika Balwaria 1B, Shabad Kaur 1B, Navya Vadva 1C, Ananya Singh 1C, Rashi Solanki 1C, Charika Sharma class 2A, Supriti Jha 2A, Khushi Joshi class 2B, Lisa Verma 2B, Jazbia Junaid 2B, Manuj Gehlot class 2B. Please give them a big hand. Many congratulations to the winners. Sachdeva Global School has always seen physical fitness as the prerequisite for mental agility. Here we have the sports category, and the subcategory Best in Skating. We have the awardees as Siddharth Kalita, Buds A, Priyansh Shah, Buds B, Tanish Kumar, Buds C, Manav Chaudhary, Buds D, Vihan Katoj, Buds E, Yug Solanki, Blooms A, Mudit Sharma, Blooms B, Yashraj Chauhan, Blooms C, Naman Yadav, Blooms C, Shubhanshu Dalal, Blooms D, Abhir Narula 1A, Gunan Thakur 1B, Tushar Kanodia 1C, Himanshu Dalal 2A, Ujjwal Kumar Pandey 2A, Manuj Gehlot 2B. Congratulations to the winners. Congratulations. Next we have the category Best in Yoga, and the awardees are Amandeep Kaur, Buds A, Daksh Babbar, Buds B, Rohan Sharma, Buds B, Agam Singh, Buds C, Jayansh Khatri, Buds C, Yuvraj Rajawat, Buds D, Swastika Pandey, Buds E, Ritvik Gautam, Blooms A, Bhumik Yadav, Blooms A, Yash Pratap Singh, Blooms B, Shivain S. Sinha, Blooms C, Minal Gehlot, Blooms D. Please give them a big hand. Please keep on encouraging. Many congratulations. Continuing with the Best in Yoga category, we have Vaibhav Yadav, Class 1A, Ajal 1A, Ojaswini Singh 1B, Riddhi Rawat 1B, Lakshay Bhogal 1C, Kyan Vikram 1C, Shragvi Singh, Class 2A, Diya Kukreja 2B, Akshay Java, Class 2B. Please give them a big hand. Congratulations. So the next we have Best in Sports, and the winners are Anshuman Sharma, Buds A, Rishika Prasad, Buds B, Sehanjeet, Buds C, Yuvraj Vadva, Buds C, Lakshay, Buds D, Nishchay Oberoi, Buds E, Indira Shinde, Blooms A, Mihika Verma, Blooms B, Parth Gupta, Blooms C, Tanmay Sankla, Blooms D. Please give them a big hand. Congratulations. Many congratulations. Thank you, sir, for encouraging the little ones. Thank you so much, sir. Now I request Gambhir ma'am to give away the prizes to the next set of award winners. Effective communication skills and fluency in languages are essential life skills. Sachdeva Global School recognizes these skills and awards deserving students for the same. The winners in Best in Conversational Skills category are Amandeep Kaur, Buds A, Satvik Mishra, Buds B, Ranbir Singh Oberoi, Buds C, Amitoj Singh Walia, Buds D, Kavya Malhotra, Buds E, Sonakshi Gupta, Blooms A, Agastya Somenu Mehra, Blooms B, Nitya Shukla, Blooms C, Vanya Rana, Blooms D. Please give them a big hand. Congratulations. Congratulations. Next we have the award for the students having fluency in English, and the winners are Sukrit Mohapatra, Class 1A, Arush Krishna Kumar, 1B, Joseph S. Kaut, 1B, Ishita Ghai, 1C, Aditya Raj Vora, Class 2A, Akshada Sharma, Class 2B. Please encourage them with a loud applause. Congratulations to the winners. Congratulations. Next, the award for fluency in Hindi language goes to Harshit Singh, 1A, Aryan Dohan, 1A, Advait Badodkar, 1B, Shridhar Rohatgi, 1B, Vaibhav Saini, 1C, Varun Kumar Singh, 1C, Tanmay Sharma, Class 2A, Devansh Verma, Class 2B, Manoj Gehlot, Class 2B. Please give them a big hand. Congratulations. Congratulations. Mathematics, the power of logical and analytical skills and smartness with numbers. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Young Mathematician Award, and the winners in this category are Srishti Prabodh Kumar, 1A, Shivam Sharma, 1A, Eklavya Sharma, 1B, Riddhi Rawat, 1B, Lakshay Bhogal, 1C, Vineet Shakeen, 1C, Supriti Jha, Class 2A, K. Samir Singh, Class 2A, Ayush Chaudhary, 2B. Please give them a big hand. Congratulations. Congratulations. Now here we have the category of awards wherein scientific aptitude of the student is rewarded in the form of Science Award, and the winners are Marcia Pramiti Islam, 1A, Lavanya, 1A, Subrata Sahu, 1B, Kunal Payal, 1B, Danish Nagia, 1C, Harjot Malhotra, 1C, Aksh Pawar, Class 2A, Ravika Singh, Class 2A, Naina Pradeep, 2B, Danesh Israni, Class 2B. Please give them a big hand. Congratulations. Today's world is a world of information technology. Seva Global School presents the Computer Wizard Award to the computer smart students who are, the winners are Arushi Solanki Class 1A, Dhwani Class 1A, Shaurya Tiwari Class 1B, Gauri Gupta Class 1B, Aryan Kumar Singh 1C, Raghav Kaushik Class 2A, Varun Sahani Class 2A, Neil Bhatia 2B, Manoj Gehlot Class 2B. Please give them a big hand. Your applause means a lot to them. Please. Congratulations. Brains, integrity and force may be all very well, but what you need today is charm. Before you say a word, our personality says it all. Next we have the Best Uniform Turnout Award, and the winners are Guneet Kaur Bedi, Buds A, Jia Puri, Buds A, Daksh Babbar, Buds B, Jasmeet Kaur Banga, Buds C, Ishan Shandilya, Buds D, Shaurya Ranjan, Buds D, Daksh Kalra, Buds E, Trisha Sinha, Blooms A, Vrinda Puri, Blooms A, Devansh Gupta, Blooms B. Please give them a big hand. Please encourage them with a loud applause once again, please. Continuing with the Best Uniform Turnout category, we have Hari Akshker, Blooms B, Vrinda Puri, Blooms C, Rohan Yadav, Blooms D, Prisha Sharma, Class 1A, Abhinav Ahuja, Class 1B, Ujjwal Agrawal, 1C, Shragvi Singh, Class 2A, Mayank from 2A, and Akshay Java from Class 2B. Please give them a big hand. Congratulations to the winners.